Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to customize your WooCommerce Storefront header and search box using Storefront Pro. This is a great way to make your online store look more professional and improve the user experience by making it easier for customers to navigate and find products. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll want to open your browser and navigate to WordPress.com. Once you're on the site, go ahead and log into your account if you haven't already done so. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your WooCommerce store so you can access all the customization tools you need. After logging in, direct your attention to the left navigation menu. Here, you'll need to click on Appearance. This option is your gateway to all the visual customization features WordPress offers. When you click on it, an expanded menu will appear with several options. From these options, locate and click on Editor. This will take you into the site editor where you can make changes to your store's design and layout. Now that you're in the editor, look for the section labeled Page Design. Under this section, click on Patterns. The Patterns page is where you'll find pre-designed templates for different parts of your website. Once you're on the Patterns page, you'll see a header section displayed. Browse through the available headers and simply click on the one that best fits your storefront's style and branding. Selecting a header will immediately direct you to the page editor, where the real customization begins. In the page editor, you have full control over how your header looks and functions. To add new elements and blocks to your header, click on the plus icon located on the top left part of your screen. This icon opens up a library of available blocks that you can insert into your design. Since we want to add a search bar to make it easier for customers to find products, type search into the block search field. You'll see various search bar block options appear. Select the search bar block that you wish to use for your header. Once you've made your choice, simply drag it onto your header editor to add the element. Position it where you think it will be most effective and visible to your visitors. Take a moment to review your customization and make any final adjustments to ensure everything looks cohesive and professional. Once you're satisfied with how your header and search box appear, click on Save on the top right part of your screen. This will apply all your changes to your live storefront, and that's it. You've successfully customized your WooCommerce storefront header and added a functional search box to enhance your store's usability. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.